Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Unique video than what I normally put out. This one here is you guys participating with me, and I got to excuse the lighting here first and foremost. I got everything kind of dimmed down, but this is me practicing at night. So I thought I'd take you guys along for the ride here, and I want you to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you see what it is that I'm working on here tonight as I go through this little pattern. Well, I didn't make it. Almost got to the 2. Yeah, I could have pocketed the 2. So I didn't make my shot. That's okay. But once again, it's not about running this rack. It's about what I'm working on. It could disrupt my timing a little bit. Yeah, I didn't quite get there either, so that's okay. See if I can. I'm gonna have to swerve here. Okay, made that one. Once again, I'm not concerned with running out as much as I am about working on what I'm working on here. And like I say, I want you guys to let me know what you see. You notice there, I cheated that so I get the cue ball to come off the cushion. I hit it with pocket speed. Don't get too straight. Got too straight. I'm always wanting to run out. It doesn't always happen, but gotta force this one, you guys. Just wanted to make sure I could get it up table so I could see that 6. Did you see what I was working on? Let me turn the light on here real quick just so I can explain. I shouldn't even tell you because I want you to leave a comment. Just let me know if you picked up on it during the video, yes or no. What I'm working on here is I'm trying to ingrain a full pause in my backstroke. And I'm not advocating that everyone should do this. So anybody that's going to argue that, don't worry about it. This is just me. Because what I'm finding in these last several months, probably 4 or 5 months, my game has just done a 180. I mean, I'm in dead stroke daily now. And it's just so much fun. It makes the game much more enjoyable even to me. And I just am obsessed with the game already. But I wanted to show you this because this is raw. This is how I work on ingraining a change. And I take one thing at a time. When I started, if you've watched my channel, you know this. I had a very bad, in fact, still have video from way back when I started, not even 3 years ago, but it seems a long time for me, where I just jab stroked so bad. And it took me so long to be able to have some degree of pause. And in that process, when I developed the degree of pause that I just mentioned, I realized that the control I had on my cue ball, both in shot making and in position play, was, I could just feel it. Everything was like I was in dead tune with this cue. It was like it was part of me. And as a result, it's made me want to become even stronger with a more pronounced pause. I've watched lots of top pros that incorporate this pause in their stroke, and I know exactly why they're so good at the game. I need this. At my age, I need to have full control. I cannot, just go off feel. I have to control the cue, and I have to control my body. And part of that is, for me, is having that ingrained pause. Once I have the pause so well ingrained and I can shoot without thought, that's when I'll even be that much better. Once again, I've been in dead stroke daily now. It used to be once a month, and it was like once every 2 weeks, and it kept tightening up, and tightening up. Now I'm finding my rhythm, my game, all of that. And it's all based on our pool stroke first and foremost. But for me, a controlled transition, a full pause, like Mark Wilson says in his 3-part clinic. You need to watch that if you haven't seen that. You can look it up on YouTube. Mark Wilson, 3-part clinic. You'll see it. Awesome stuff. That clinic drove home, in my mind, what I needed to do. Now, first off, I want to give great credit to one of my other friends that's a creator, and his name is John Disk, and he's got a channel, and he has a video about no more pokey stroke. And when I watched that video, that was back when I was first starting to play the game, and he said this in his video, 99 and 9/10%, I believe is what he used. He said almost every player cannot change a jab stroke. It's so ingrained, the neurological pathways are so welded together that it's so hard and so difficult that most give up. They never change. Well, I know what he was talking about because it took me a year. And today, I'm a way better player for you. I don't want to babble on here too much about this, but I just want you to feel the passion in my heart about what it takes for me to get good at this game. I love you guys, man. I try to share everything I can with you so that you guys can get better together with me. I say that, get better together. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. It gives me goosebumps even talking to you about it, but I love this game that much, and I want to take you guys along so that you guys can love it as well. The better you get, the more fun the game is. And it may be fun already to you, but you're not going to believe the feeling you have when you're really dominating your body. I say your body because this is a game within us. This is not playing someone else. We are battling ourselves. And once we conquer the demons within and we're able to do things physically, fundamentally sound, pre-shot routine, all of that stuff, and then execute and have everything work, it makes the game a lot more fun. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.